Dear students, in this video I will solve one of the questions of critical thinking related to chapter metallurgy, in which the question is asked regarding the metallurgy of aluminium. So let's see how you will solve this question. Here, as you can see on the screen, the question number 9. In order to obtain 1 ton of aluminium, the following inputs are required: 4 tons of bauxite, 150 kg of NaOH and 600 kg of graphite. The aluminium compound in bauxite is aluminium oxide and the main impurity is iron 3 oxide. Aluminium is obtained by the electrolysis of aluminium oxide dissolved in the cryolite. So as you all know, this is the description of the Hall-Héroult process in metallurgy of aluminium, including the Bayer's process, starting from the Bayer's process. So the questions are asked regarding the metallurgy of aluminium only in this question. So question number 1 is, when bauxite is treated with NaOH solution, state what happens to aluminium oxide. As you all know, in the Bayer's process, aluminium oxide is first treated with NaOH to form, because it is amphoteric oxide, it will form soluble sodium meta-aluminate, and water, that salt and water, is formed. So in this question you will write what will happen to aluminium oxide. It will turn into soluble compound sodium meta-aluminate. So you will write here, it turns into soluble sodium meta-aluminate. In the second part, they have asked that what will happen to iron 3 oxide. As you all know, there are 2 impurities in the aluminium oxide, that is silica and iron 3 oxide. So this iron 3 oxide, since it is not amphoteric, it will not form a soluble compound. So you will write here, iron 3 oxide will remain insoluble, and therefore the impurities will be separated out. But because they have asked what will happen to iron 3 oxide, so you will write only it will remain insoluble. Next question is, why graphite is required in large quantity for the electrolytic process. You can see here nearly 4 times of NaOH graphite is used. So much graphite, 600 kg of graphite is used in the process. Why there is a requirement of such a large amount of graphite? Why? Because as you all know, in the Hall-Héroult process, electrolytic reduction process, oxygen is evolved on anode, which consumes graphite due to the formation of carbon dioxide. So you will write here, because it is graphite is required in very large quantity, because it is consumed in the process due to reaction with nascent oxygen and forming carbon dioxide at anode, and therefore the graphite anodes will reduce in size and they have to be gradually replaced. Next question here is, write the balanced chemical equation which takes place at cathode. So here, because at cathode, as you all know, the aluminium is deposited, so you have to just write the equation here, that is 2Al3 positive plus 6 electrons will give you aluminium metal at cathode. So because reaction is asked at cathode, so we'll write this equation. So this is one of the questions regarding metallurgy. I will solve more of the questions in the upcoming videos. Thank you.